Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk you about how to get graph method. So first of all, go to your any browser and search developerfacebookapp.com. Go to second link, log in with your real Facebook account. In this login with the account which contain email and phone number. Okay, like it must be old IDs. Okay, it will be perfect, like 2007, 6, 5, 10, 11, like that. Then after here you can create your app. We are going to get headers from the graph method. Okay, create your own app. You can write anything, like creating your own app. It must be contain your name, anything. You can, if this app is private, okay, it will not make public on your meta version. So write your name. I am writing coding with Amul. You can write whatever you want. I mentioned earlier, you need to log in that account which contain email, phone number. Okay, and it must be old. If you are doing that, it will be best. Okay, follow this step. You can just skip this step and go to toolbox. You can continue this step or anything. It does not depend upon this does not depend upon the method. I'm just creating my app look more beautiful, so you can go directly on the tool. I'm doing this shit to tell that I'm just building my app, so don't worry. If you like to complete this all step, then you can do, but as I suggested, skip this all. Go to dashboard dashboard and go to tool, and here graph API explorer. Okay, don't click on anything. If you are advanced developer, then you can click operate API access token. Just click on the graph API. Okay, for here you can see the token. I've already get it, so don't worry, you can just paste it out here. This token don't need to change. Okay, that token here, you will find this code with Amul one. Okay, uh, you can just go to access token. You can access to the paste token. Okay, it is not working on my main token. It is working on my just user ID token, not working on paste token. So it might work on your paste token. So do it yourself. Sometime the error might shown in your while doing taking this method. Don't worry, you can just follow this step to clear all your error. You can manage that. Otherwise, use PC version, it will be easy for you. If you use PC version, it is quite little bit complex to do in mobile. As I mentioned, you can do in any whatever, the explorer, internet explorer, Google Chrome, Kiwi, Bhaya. This is version 20. Okay, many people use a graph method of version 18, 16, 17, that 1 year 2 year old method. You can make a new method. Okay, write the email password. Okay, you can write phone number also, no matter, just like that. Here the id name and name will be shown, and then after you will see catch key, height, isonate, url, wait. Okay, at all of this, and go to here, go get code. Okay, just getting on the code, and you will see the code. Here copy all this method. Sometimes it will not copy in your Google account, so as I recommended to use QA browser or Via browser or Google Chrome. Okay, it will copy, but sometime it will not copy, because I don't know why in Google it is not copying. So I will open my Chrome browser, and then I will copy it. Select all and I'll do copy. Don't worry. If you are watching this video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you. There is a notice at the end of this video, so stay tuned with me. Here you can copy this all. After copying this all, go to your any editor and paste it out this script, and select all unwanted part and delete that. delete up to where you can find close one. Okay, cut it out and okay. Here copy and go to your terminal, then paste it out. The method will come to your account. Okay, as I mentioned, use old IDs. Okay, if you use old IDs, here your all method ab connection resources, here just go to any script and paste it out. Not like that, simply pasting. You need to change little bit, so it will be easy. Okay, here are the method. I will in next video I will going to show you like exact method from the laptop of my, I'm buying new laptop, so new video are coming from the laptop. It will be easy for me to edit. Thank you for your support and love you all guys. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to start Python course. If you like to join the Python course, then you can just message me on Telegram. So it will be best. You know that I'm going to teach you Python from the basic. I'm going to teach you like very basic. Okay, if you don't know anything about Python, you can join to my channel also. It will be paid, like $5-6 only, not most than, just in Nepali 99 rupees, just like 1k might be a $10 something, $5-6. Okay, it is not like that. I am going to teach you from the basic. There might be three level: beginner, intermediate and advanced. So if you like to join, then message me on Telegram. Thank you so much and love you all. Bye bye.